Hi friends, this is Miss Laurel. I can't wait to learn and play with you today. Are you ready? Come on. This week we're learning about puppy dogs. Dogs can be big, little, black, white, brown. They might have spots. Some have long hair, some have short hair. If you have a dog, you know that you have to take good care of him, or her if it's a girl. We can take care of our dog by taking it for a walk, giving it food to eat, making sure that it has plenty of water to drink. What else can you do to help take care of your dog? Right now, tell your teacher something that you know about dogs. Those are all good answers. Something else I know about dogs is that they like to dig. Today, we're going to read a book about dogs who like to dig in the dirt. Today, we're going to read a book called See Me Dig. This is a book about dogs who like to dig in the dirt. Raise your hand if you like to dig in the dirt. I thought so. All right, everybody put your hands in your lap while we listen to the story. See me dig. See me dig. I like to dig. We all like to dig. We dig and dig. Who likes to dig on this page? You're right, it's the dogs. The dogs like to dig. Oh no, they are mad. I see some angry faces on this page. The bear has an angry face. The raccoon. This little beaver. There's a fox with an angry face. Show me your angry face. Ooh, I hope we don't have to see that. Let's put our happy face back on. We run away. There they go. They're running from the bears. We can dig here. What is this? What do you think the dogs found in the sand? It is a box. We tug and tug and tug. Oh no, they are mad. It's not the bears mad on this page, it's someone else this time. Looks like pirates. The dogs say, woof. Let me hear you sound like a dog. Good job. Woof, woof. See them go. I am a hero. This dog thinks he's the hero because he saved all the other dogs. They look scared over here. Why were the dogs scared? He likes to dig too. Now we dig some more. It looks like the dogs found someone who they could dig with. What is it? A tractor. You're right. That was a good book. I think some of you have this book at home, or you might have it at home one day. I hope you enjoy reading it as much as I did today. Here are some more of my favorite books about dogs. You know what? I like all books. I know you get to read books at your school. Sometimes your teacher reads them to you, and sometimes you get to look at them on your own in your classroom library where they keep the books. When we look at books, there's a certain way to do it. We hold the book so that the pictures are right side up. We want to be able to see the pictures. We don't hold it upside down with the pictures like this. We hold it just like this so we can see the pictures the right way. When we open the book, we open one page at a time. We have to make sure that we are just turning one page because we don't want to miss anything in the story. Just one page. We don't want to just open up to the very middle. We won't know what's happening if we start in the middle. We have to start at the beginning, that's the front, and open one page at a time. I hope today, if you're in the book center or the library, you practice opening the book one page at a time. And I know your teacher's going to tell me just how good you did. All right, friends, it's puppy dog playtime. Right now, everybody's going to need to stand up and find a spot in the room where you can move around a little bit and not bump into any of your friends. Okay. All right, this is how it's going to go. You're going to be a puppy dog, so you can put your little feet up right here. Everybody be a puppy dog, and we're going to do what the song says. It goes like this. Puppy dog, turn around. Puppy dog, touch the ground. Puppy dog, move side to side. Puppy dog, touch the sky. Puppy dog, touch your toes. Puppy dog, touch your nose. Puppy dog, touch your knees. Right here's your knees. Puppy dog, sit down, please. Very good. All right, friends, it's time to play a matching game. Right now, you can see all of my puppy dog friends. When I point to each puppy dog, I want you to tell me what color he is. Here we go. This dog is red. That's right. This dog is orange. Good job. This dog is green. Way to go. This dog is blue. This dog is yellow. Good job knowing what colors these are. Every single one of my dog friends needs a bone to eat. We're going to find the right bone to go with each dog. Okay, let me show you what I have. The first bone that I have looks like this. Which dog goes with the blue bone? You can point to it. That's right. Here's the blue dog. Let's give him the blue bone. Very good. All right, I've got another bone. This bone is red. Where does the red bone go? Point to it. That's right. The red bone goes with the red dog. Our next bone is orange. Good job. Point to where the orange bone goes. You're right. Okay, let's see what we have next. This bone is yellow. Point to the yellow dog. Very good. This bone is green. Now all of our dog friends have a bone. Very good. The next thing I have is a house. Every dog needs a dog house. Can you help me find the right dog to go in each house? Which dog goes in this house? Very good. The green dog. I'm going to put the house on him right there. Which dog goes in this house? That's right. Red. Which dog goes in this house? You got it. The orange dog. Which dog goes in this house? The yellow dog. Who still needs a house? That's right. The blue dog is still looking for a house. Let's see if this one matches. Does this house match the blue dog? It sure does. This is my puppy dog, Jax. He likes to play with his toys. Right now he's playing with his Santa toy. And when I throw it, he'll go get it and bring it back to me. Let me show you. Go get it. Good boy, Jax. Good boy. Can you help me count some bones for my dog, Jax? When I touch the bone, you say the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bones for my dog, Jax. I bet he's gonna love them. Come here, Jax. Who's ready to play I Spy? I've got my binoculars. They help me see really, really far away. But if you don't have binoculars, that's okay. Just use your hands. Here I am in the kitchen. I spy with my little eye something blue. Can you see what's blue in the kitchen? I had so much fun playing with everybody this week. I can't wait to see you again. Bye.